recording. Alright, we have a open engine trunk. This is after installment of ECU upgrade by Softronic and after installment by a complete Evolution Motorsport air intake kit. This was done at ACG San Diego by James and Peter, good friends of mine. This is a 2004 Carrera limited edition 996 or 911 and roughly about 54,000 miles. It's Southern California, 73 degrees. This is a cold start, 9 feet away from the car, and trunk engine open. Go ahead. Why don't you go at the gas pedal? I'm gonna go closer. I'm 9 feet. Let you guys hear the air intake. This is a 911 limited edition, 40th year. Go ahead. Do a fast. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let me show them the inside real quick. Alright, to confirm, we have here 73 degrees, Southern California, cold start, open trunk, a little bit under 1,000 RPM. It's lunchtime, 12. Last time I took a pre was 12 midnight.